This week we're going to take a look at updated crop condition ratings from the USDA. We're also going to take a look at short-term weather forecasts for the heart of the Corn Belt. And we're also going to focus on potential for price volatility on the day that the USDA releases their grain stocks and acreage reports on June 30th. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We moved into the latter stages of June here, and this market remains quite volatile. Let's start out this week looking at updated crop condition ratings from the USDA. This is our usual map here, once again looking at the color scheme. The red circles imply deterioration in the good to excellent ratings versus the previous week. The green circles imply improvement versus the previous week. Notice nationwide here we dropped to 65% good to excellent. That was down 3 points from last week, and it's down 7 points from last year. The most significant declines were seen in that western and northwest corn belt as well as northern plains. Minnesota, Iowa, South Dakota, North Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas all saw declines relative to last week. We did see some improvement, however, in the eastern corn belt as well as parts of the south. Let's now look at the history of the crop condition index. Notice the crop condition index for 2021 has declined for 3 consecutive weeks. It's now tied with 2017 for the second lowest rating of the past 8 years. That makes this short-term weather extremely important. Speaking about the weather, we're going to take a look at the short-term weather trends. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. Now again, a critical time here as we approach corn pollination here across the heart of the Corn Belt. We're looking first at a 30-day precipitation map here, more of a proxy for subsoil moisture to give you an idea of where the soil rests here as we approach pollination. Notice quite a bit of dryness across those areas west of the Mississippi River. As we go east across the eastern Corn Belt, central Corn Belt, not as dry, but a lot of corn, needless to say, has grown in those areas, whether it be Iowa, Minnesota, South Dakota, Missouri, obviously Nebraska in there. So very important to see how the weather shakes out short term. Let's now look at short-term forecasts for Tuesday night and Wednesday night. There is some rainfall forecast, some showers for Tuesday night and Wednesday night across some of those drier areas. So that'll be the first key issue to watch this week. Now the main event, if you will, is Thursday through Monday, June 24th through the 28th. We're looking at a key event here. A lot of rainfall. The green area is 1 to 3 inches here. The heaviest rainfall noticed here is highlighted in Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, as well as southeast Iowa. We're looking at parts of southwest Michigan, southern Wisconsin, as well as eastern Kansas. It'll be critical to see, number one, if these amounts are realized, what type of coverage we get over this time period. Let's move on now and highlight price volatility associated with the USDA grain stocks and acreage reports on June 30th. What we did with this chart was go back and look at the last 20 years of price changes in old crop corn, CN, and new crop corn futures, CZ, on the day that the USDA releases the acreage and grain stocks report. Here's the critical message. A lot of potential price volatility, not guaranteed price volatility, but price volatility is there, needless to say. The critical message is you want to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor prior to the release of these reports to have your strategies in place. Let's wrap things up looking at trends in December corn futures. The December 2021 corn futures contract has backed off a bit here. It's still trading, however, at the highest levels for late June since 2014. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.